Welcome back, everyone, and today we got something different on this channel, but we're going to be doing a lot of these. We got an actual watch, and I do collect quite a bit, and I figured since I found the only Casio G-Shock store in the country in New York City over the weekend, let's buy a few things and open them up. And this is the G-Shock. Obviously, I bought a pretty cool watch. I actually bought a few of them. And I was a little shocked because I didn't think they still made these G-Shocks anymore, and all of the vintage ones have gone up in value by quite a bit. So, let's open it up, see how these just come packaged and everything. Let's put it on and we'll check it out and review it. Oh, look at that, a little G-Shock case. Okay, so no books or anything over there. I believe these have like a 6-month warranty or something. Let's see, what really comes in it? Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. There was a little thing there. And printed in Malaysia, G-Shock International Warranty Card. Cool. And how much was this? $120. I'm actually going to be wearing this as I fly out the next couple days. A form there. Alright. Do we have the correct time? No, we don't. The time of 11:18, and it's not 11:18. Actually, no, that's the date. My bad, 11:18. The time is actually correct. So now you know when I'm actually doing this video. So let's actually try this thing on. I haven't worn a G-Shock since I was a kid, so what, 20 years ago or so. Now let's check it out. Let's take off the Seamaster, which is a beautiful watch. A little pricey, obviously. Let's just see how this goes on. Oh, okay, I remember all these rubber bands. Okay. So, at least it's waterproof and everything, and it always clamps on you. Okay. And that's actually a really nice watch. And then it lights up, but not for too long, huh? Only like maybe a second. Should be able to fix that. Is there anything else? Any kind of books or anything that we need? Warranty regulations. And I guess the books don't have a way to, you know, to tell you how to set the timer or anything, so probably have to go online for that, but that's what comes in. That's actually pretty cool. And like I said, this was, what, 120 bucks I said? 120. Really cool, very light. It's a perfect sporting watch. Oh, if you're flying, you don't want to take off your watch, which this would be kind of a headache, especially going through TSA, but can't compare them both. So this is it, guys. Let me know what you think, and if you knew that Casio was still making watches, or if you have quite a collection of vintage G-Shock watches. Alright guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.